Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge. However, there are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Dutch oven for camping from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Casa Cast Iron Camping Dutch Oven. Casa has created their Dutch oven specifically for camping. Although it is one of the heavier options for such a small product, it is extremely useful over a fire. They have optimized the design for over a campfire. It has a bucket handle attached to the sides, longer legs than most to stand it up in varied terrain, and a useful steel lid lifter to safely remove the lid. The lid on the Casa Camping Dutch Oven is one of the most ergonomic aspects. It can hold coals on top with its rimmed edge to cook the top of the food inside. It can also be taken off and inverted to make a mini griddle. They include a Dutch oven recipe book as well. A heavy-duty polyester tote bag with PVC backing is included, making transporting this cast iron Dutch oven to campsites a complete breeze. You'll also find a steel lid lifter that will help you access the Dutch oven, even when it's sizzling. Positive side of this product. Longer legs designed for steady campfire placement. Steel lid lifter for safe lid removal. Incredible lid design is a lid, coal holder, and griddle. Negative side of this product. Heavier than other similarly sized products. Number 2. Cast iron Dutch oven with skillet lid. Crucible Cookware Dutch oven has a much simpler design than other products on the list. It is sturdy cast iron as well. This Dutch oven doesn't have a bucket handle or legs. It is equipped with side handles. They are still the cast iron material, so always use protection when moving it around. It does also come with a lid with a top handle. It is safe to use the Crucible Cookware Dutch oven in cooking temperatures up to 540 degrees Fahrenheit. Only hand wash this product to avoid rust and season it after each use. They include a cast iron cookbook with your purchase, and the safety of a 1-year money-back guarantee. Positive side of this product. Equipped with side handles for a quick move. Increase cooking temperature to handle unruly campfires. 1-year money-back guarantee adds purchase protection. Negative side of this product. No bucket handle or legs for additional stability. Number 3. Burnmore Heavy-Duty PreSeason 2-in-1 Cast Iron Pan. Burnmore's Dutch oven set might not be created specifically for a campfire, and it doesn't mean that it won't perform well outside. It might damage some of the enamel, so practice extra caution. Made from cast iron and coated with a decorative enamel, this Dutch oven is oven safe, and it is recommended to hand wash it. Its heat retention and even heating are just as good. The 2-in-1 addition to the Burnmore Dutch oven set denotes the lid's ability to act as a skillet and cook another part of the meal beside the Dutch oven. It is domed to fit in more food, but this also increases interior space. Burnmore seasoned skillet is designed to easily taken care of. Very easy to be hand washed after every use. Perfect for oven-to-table presentations of soups, stews, beans. Positive side of this product. Better aesthetic than only cast iron finish. Oven lid doubles as a skillet. Dome design allows for more interior space. Negative side of this product. Not designed for a campfire. Number 4. Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Covered Dutch Oven. Perhaps you don't only want something to use in the middle of the forest. When it rests in your home kitchen, it is better to have something more aesthetically pleasing. Amazon Basics offers just that with their glazed outer layer over sturdy cast iron. This Dutch oven does not have a bucket handle, but it does come with 2 side handles for safer movement. It is safe to use heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and distributes all of that heat evenly. Be aware that the enamel is not non-stick and can be hand washed only. The handles on the Amazon Basics Enamel Dutch oven will still be very hot when moving, so always use protection. Positive side of this product. Nicer colors for better aesthetic value. High heat tolerance of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Even heat distribution makes for a better cooking experience. Negative side of this product. No non-stick option on top of enamel coating. Number 5. Excelsior 6QT Dutch Oven. Excelsior has designed their Dutch oven for use both inside in an oven or outside over a campfire. It is purely cast iron and needs to be seasoned regularly for a maintained flavor. Cooking with cast iron means you get a durable material that lasts for a long time. This Dutch oven does not have legs. It does have a bucket handle, as well as small side handles and a lid handle. Positive side of this product. Durable material from cast iron. Well-fitted lid allows you to lock in heat. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.